Dad, who was Allah? I mean, where did he come from?
Let me ask you first, where did the sun come from?
From space, from the universe, I guess.
And where did the universe come from?
From the Big Bang?
And what caused the Big Bang?
I don't know. Maybe nothing?
Can nothing explode?
No, that would be weird.
Exactly. So whatever began everything can't be nothing. It must be something beyond everything. Something that doesn't need a start.
But everything has a start. Even my game needs to load before I can play.
Yes, but that's inside the game. The one who made the game isn't inside it waiting to load, right?
Oh, so Allah is like the one outside the game.
Beautifully said. Allah created time, space, and every law that makes your game and this universe run. He's not waiting in time. He's the reason time exists.
So, he doesn't begin or end?
Right. Words like before and after are for things inside time. Allah isn't in the story. He's the author.
Then, if he made everything, does that mean he made nothing too?
Even the emptiness is his design. The silence before sound, he made that pause.
That's big. But how can I know he's real if I can't see him?
Can you see your thoughts? Or gravity? Or love?
No, but I feel them.
Exactly. You see their effects. The order of the world. The intelligence in creation. The way your heart knows right from wrong. All of these are signs. We can't see Allah with our eyes, but everything our eyes see whispers his name.
So, Allah just is.
Yes, and that's what makes him Allah, the one who was never made, who makes everything else possible.
Then if he wrote time, he must know my whole story already.
He does, and he still lets you choose your lines. That's the beauty. The author gives you a pen.
I think I just got my first big question, but I already feel another one coming.
Good.